this is Karen from Ongoing Warehouse, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up integrations to external systems. This could be web shops or TA systems, and you're going to set them up directly from your Ongoing WMS, and I'm going to show you how you can do this yourself. Setting up integrations by yourself from the system is a rather new functionality, and we are currently working on adding more and more integrations. If you want to see all of our integrations, not just the ones that you can set up yourself, or integrations made by our partners, go to docs.ongoingwarehouse.com/integration. In this video, I'm going to showcase our integration to Consignor Shipment server for you. That is a TA system where you can book transportation for your orders. What you need upfront from Consignor is the API key and the actor IDs. So in your system, you go to Settings and Integrations. In the drop-down list, you find all the integrations that you can set up by yourself. We have some TA systems, some web shops, ERP system, and automatic emails for example, setting out the stock value. So I find the Consignor Shipment server, and it's going to show me all the fields I have to fill in to be able to set up this integration. First, I have to give this integration a name. I'm going to leave it to Consignor Shipment server. Then I type in the keys I got from Consignor and the actor ID. Here I can select what in what format I want the labels to be. I want them to be in PDF, and for now I don't want to use the price calculation, so I just press create. And it says that the integration was successful. In the background, this is actually trying to connect to Consignor, so if it's green, I know that I have a connection. Now I would have to get some transporters. So if I look at my register for transporters, and now I don't have any transporters. If I press this button, I can see which transporters are available in Consignor. And I just mark the ones I want to import. I'm going to try with best transportation and import. And here we can find all the services that was attached to this transporter. For this one, it was only the standard package. To be able to use the service in Ongoing, I now have to have a transport agreement. So I go to transport agreements, and again I can see what transport agreements are available for me in Consignor. I select the one I want to import, and it has been set up. So here I have set up an order which is using the transport service that we set up. I'm gonna pick the order and get the pick list, and then I'm gonna add a waybill row. So the waybill row is the information we send over regarding the weight and how many parcels there are, what kind of packaging we are using, and so on. I'm going to go with package. Normally you set this up automatically so that it's created when you pick the order and it's based on the article weight and so on, or you add it manually maybe when you're scanning. In my test system I haven't done this, so I'm gonna go in and add some values. And once I have set up the information for the waybill row, I can send my order. So I press send. And I get my delivery note. It says it has been sent to Consignor, so if I expand my order, I find a pallet item with the parcel number that has been created by Consignor. I also find the label. Now, of course, you can set this up to be printed automatically or generated as a PDF automatically when you press send. If you want to do anything like that, just contact your contact person at Ongoing. So this was just a brief introduction of how you can set up a TA system by yourself. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions or thoughts, just contact your contact person at Ongoing or contact@ongoingwarehouse.com.